What's up guys, and in this video I'm going to be telling you what's new. I've decided, and as maybe you don't know, maybe you do know, I only said this on Robert Foley's channel. I'm getting a new computer for Christmas, and my computer is not really suitable for editing and really nothing much. And so I never really said this on this channel that I'm getting a new computer. I just said it on Rob's channel when we were doing Euro Truck. Anyway, so I'm getting a new computer for Christmas, and what I was going to do was just buy one. And, you know, it sounded like a really good idea because, you know, just buy one and what's the big deal about it? But then I realized that it was a good idea to build one, and I was really scared to actually build one. I don't know why, but I didn't want to build one, but now I think it's a good option, and it's something for me. So I'm just going to tell you the parts list, and then hopefully I'll make a little video, not series out of this, but I'm going to build it live with Robert Foley helping me. He's going to help me because I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it, and it's funny on the live stream. You're gonna like laugh if you noob's perspective. This should be a noob's perspective. Anyway, okay. So the first part is the processor, and I'm going to. This is PCPartPicker.com. I'll put a link in the description if the actual list. Hopefully it won't change. I don't think it'll change, but if it does, I'll change it. So the processor is going to be an AMD FX 6300. It's a 3.5 GHz 6-core processor, and AMD or Intel, I was so biased for Intel before. Why was I biased? Because I have an AMD right now, and it's an AMD Vision. It's an AMD Vision, and what is it? 2X2 250U. And it's not good. It's an all-in-one. I mean, so I was really turned off by AMDs, and you know, the more I think about it, the more AMD sounds suitable and not as bad as I thought it would be. And most gaming PCs too, you know, they have AMD and not Intel. And some gaming PCs, not all of them. So that's going to be a 6-core. If I'm going to compare it to the Dell computer that I was going to get that is now out of stock, so that's why I'm building this. So the Dell one was an Intel, I'll put a link in the description, Intel i5, and it was quad-core, I believe. This one's 6-core. And then for the CPU cooler, I'm going to have a CPU cooler. It's going to be a Cooler Master Hyper TX3, 54.8 CFM, I don't know if that really matters, sleeve bearing CPU cooler. And that's good, pretty good cooler. And then the motherboard, pretty good motherboard too, it's not bad. And Asus, and I really like Asus as a brand. Asus M5A99FX Pro R2.0 ATX AM3 Plus motherboard. Again, really good motherboard. I get 10 USB ports versus the Dell, which is actually 10, and then right now I have 6. So hopefully I'll be picking up a few more USB ports, and I have USB 3 too, which is always good. Memory, I have on my computer right now 6 GB, and on the Dell one that I was going to get was 12 GB, which Dell's RAM, I upgraded the RAM on this computer, and I was told that Dell's RAM isn't that great, and RAM isn't important as much as processors and graphics cards. So the RAM 8 versus 12, I'm not going to really notice, but because I'm going to have a much superior video card and CPU. So in this case, RAM doesn't really matter as much. But it's going to be 2 4 GB. It's a Crucial Ballistics Sport. So it'll add up to 12, and I can always upgrade, or sorry, it'll add up to 8, and I can always upgrade it. I can always upgrade it. It's the simplest thing you can upgrade ever. I did it on this computer. For storage, I'm going to have a hybrid drive, a Seagate 1 TB, 3.5 inch, 7200 RPM hybrid, so it's not going to be an SSD. Not going to be a traditional hard drive, it's going to be higher, so you get the speed of an SSD. For the graphics card, this is this is where it shines as well. It's a pretty nice graphics card, if I do say so myself. It's an XFX Radeon R9 270, I don't know how to pronounce numbers now, 2 GB double dissipation video card. On the old Dell, or sorry, on the Dell that I was going to get, it had an NVIDIA GT 720, which it had a gigabyte worth of dedicated graphics. I've been told that wasn't the best either, and even some reviews, it said it was kind of weak for doing specific stuff. And this computer, I don't have a graphics card. I'm relying on integrated graphics for video editing. I can't game, but this one is going to have 2 GB worth of dedicated graphics, and it's going to be a pretty strong graphics card. For my case, nothing special. Xiaomi Z9 ATX mid-tower case. For power supply, I have EVGA 500 watts, 80 plus certified ATX power supply. Nothing special there, just the power supply, power it. And then an optical drive. It's just an LG GH24NSB0 DVD and CD writer. Nothing special, just to install stuff and play Sims, because you need the DVD to play Sims. And then for the wireless network adapter, I'm going to have a Rosewill RNX N250 PCE. It's an 802.11 BGN PCI Express Wi-Fi adapter, just a normal Wi-Fi adapter. I was debating whether I should get BGN or AC. I didn't have really the budget for an AC. I mean, I could have gotten an AC, but I really wanted to keep this as cheap as possible below the... I'm really saving money versus the Dell computer that I was going to get. So the video card, I just kept it as BGN because mine right now is BGN, and I'm not you know, sacrificing anything. It'll be, you know, plenty fast as well. Alright, so I'm excited to build this. Hopefully I will schedule a live stream for December 25th. Hopefully it doesn't come any later than that, or it won't come earlier than that, because that's when I'm going to get it. But hopefully I'll schedule a live stream for that, and then me and Robert Foley will build this, or I'll build it and he'll guide me, or because I don't know how to build a computer, so I'm not going to do it myself. He's going to help with this. So yeah, I'm excited to do this, and then, I mean, I would love to promise more videos once I get it. I will hopefully do more videos when I get this, because video editing will be incredibly much more easier. So yeah. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video, and hopefully that'll be a series following this PC build, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.